What's up guys, I'm back with another video. Today's video, a day in the life of a HVAC student at UTI, Universal Technical Institute. I'm just gonna show you how my day is at the school and I'm gonna show you how it's like. I just got out of the shower. It's 5:05, my class starts at 6:30. Alright guys, so we're ready. This is the fit for today. Yeah guys, this is the hoodie. This is my backpack, North Face Recon. Oh, look at my, oh yeah, look at that. Wait, but look, HVAC technician. That's gonna be me one day. I'm gonna making a lot of money. Alright, so let's go make some breakfast. Planning on making some tocino con huevo. Oh my god, about 20 minutes before I leave, so it should be good. Let's go. Alright guys, so my mom woke up. Surprisingly, they're always sleeping, but yeah, she's gonna make me my food and I'll go brush my teeth and stuff like that. So yeah. This is my favorite. Let's go. Oh, alright guys, so we're about to leave right now. I normally take longer, but my mom woke up, so she helped me. My mom just gave me my breakfast, so we're all good to head out now. See y'all in a bit. See y'all later. Oh, it's so dark. Oh, scary. Oh god. We're about to leave. It's a 30-minute drive and I'm gonna get there on time today. Like always. You already know. Look at that. 27-minute drive. We're gonna get there at 6:04. It's currently 5:37. Let's go. No sé si me voy a ver o no. A ver si no se cae la cámara. Si se cae, pues ni modo. ¡Ah! ¡Se cayó! ¡Ay! ¡Se cae! ¡No! Alright guys, so we made it to school 6:07. It's really dark, damn. This early in the morning, bro. That's crazy. Yeah guys, got my breakfast right here, we're about to eat. So guys, I chose a trade school over like traditional college because I don't like school and I wouldn't like spending another 4 years in school because I don't like it. My program that I'm doing here is 9 months. Yeah, and I just like working on shit with my hands. I'm gonna be fixing stuff, you know. Air. Right here we learn stuff and then we do it, you know. We actually go and do it in real life with little things they got there. So I'm gonna try my best to show y'all how the classroom is like and how our little lab is like. I'll see y'all back when I'm inside. I got 20 minutes till my class starts, so I'm just chilling here. And I'll see you in a bit. See you later.
see, I woke up skinny today. Look at me. Sheesh.
Well,
Push today?
yeah, no. He
No.
said Fridays.
The stairmaster is at?
Yeah.
In the corner. There's this like this. And you just. It's kind of the same, but you do it downwards. But that's one of the things.
Nomás el puro.
Nomás el puro thing.
Yeah.
It's like, you put at the level, it's the weight. And then you put it, so with this end, you grab this one. With this end, you grab this one.
Oh my gosh, bro, I know that's what I feel. Yeah, man.
Take the quiz and don't be nervous taking it, because obviously I think you guys know what you're talking about. But we'll see right now.
Holy fucking palomita.
I'm about to take a quiz. Let's see how it goes. Little U-Haul workers don't know where their truck is at. Shit's so annoying, bro. Todos los días. There we go. What's up, guys? It's 9 o'clock. We got our lunch break, an hour lunch break at las 9. Yeah, guys, we go back in at 10. After lunch, we're gonna do a lab, and that lab is gonna be like everything we've learned, and I'm gonna try to record it. Hopefully, the teacher lets me. I'm gonna have the GoPro right here with the head strap. I'm gonna look stupid, but it's alright. No pasa nada. He said we're gonna do everything that we've been doing. So, Monday we did one thing, Tuesday we did another thing, Wednesday, Thursday, I see, and Friday we're gonna do all of those combined today. So hopefully I can show you guys what it's like.
So right now, guys, we're in refrigeration system, fucking different types of fucking pressure, fucking PSI, fucking BTU.
Are you liking it so far?
Oh yes.
Oh yeah, me too. Holy sword! Ah! You're pulling that way, no?
Yeah, and you're working on this.
You're acá, right?
On this side.
Aquí, aquí, ah!
Shit, man.
Bro, by the end of the course, we're gonna be ripped.
Oh yes.
Gym every day. We're doing push-up competitions. Hopefully they do one today. I'm
Holy
gonna try to do bench press. I'm doing bench
Holy
press.
aura. Bro, I was trying to bench press, bro. I couldn't no more, bro. Look, there's a fucking homeless outside my house. Look at this. What the fuck is that? It's AI, bro.
Like in class, like he's in college, he's in class, he's like, oye mujer.
No, it's linda.
Oye, linda mujer.
Linda mujer, sabes que te amo de la cabeza a los pies. Y si quieres un castillo dorado, eso te daré. Prepárate bien que te voy a robar.
Let's hear the fucking bass.
Holy bass.
Linda mujer, sabes que te amo de la cabeza a los pies. Yo sé que eres un castillo dorado.
What's this control? Yeah, I remember. Little bass, baby. Yeah, like that.
I wanna see you bust down.
Thank you, man. What you eating, bro?
Huh?
Ashwin?
Cookie sandwich.
Cookie sandwich.
Oh, excuse me real quick. Chicken.
Look at that shit, bro.
Hell yeah. What's going on? Bro, what are we doing? What are we doing today? What are we learning? For the TikTok and stuff.
Oh, yeah. For YouTube, man.
For YouTube?
Fucking YouTuber, man.
Oh, that's that one right there?
Yeah,
that's right. Hold on, let me retake it later.
Is that the... Wait, but it's on the red one or the blue one? Oh, yeah. For YouTube.
120.
Yeah, right?
Which one's PSI?
What are we looking at? PSI is the one on the outside.
That's what I think that was our gauge. So we go based off of that one, and then we go to the middle.
Which one's the temperature? But don't worry about it.
Huh? For fucking YouTube.
What's your account?
I'll show you in a bit. Oh, yeah, go subscribe.
Oh my god.
Million followers in there. Million subscribers. Bro, I don't know how to read this shit.
I don't know either. I don't know how to. I know we look at 120 and then go for the temperature to see what temperature is, but I don't know which one's temperature. I don't know.
Oh, wait, so we don't pay attention to the little black shit.
No way. It's not even on. Where you look?
Oh, okay. No, that's easy then. That's easy. So at 120 pressure?
600 psi.
Yeah, 40.
600 psi, right?
40. 40?
That's your.
Okay.
Get me now.
40 Fahrenheit.
Hold on, I want to see if it works on this scale. I want to see.
Did they explain it to you? Oh, so we're doing it right.
We're doing it right, but he's doing it on the hard, so I don't know why.
On the red one?
Yeah. There's hella more. Look how many more notches there is.
Oh, it says it doesn't matter. What you got for the first one?
40.
40? Oh, okay. I think I'm doing it right. Yeah, 40. Yeah, he said it's right. 380. 350. Retard. We're not. My fucking YouTube channel's getting canceled.
Clip that one for the TikTok, bro.
Sorry, now R22 is the green one. So at 40, that'll be like 75. Yeah, right?
40, we're looking at temperature though.
That it, yeah. 40 and
This is not temperature.
no, this is the temperature.
Wait, that? Yeah.
No.
Yeah. Yes. The pressure's on the outside. That's the PSI. Look, PSI.
It's gonna be right.
Then what
here.
were we looking at the whole time? This, no?
No,
We were
'cause-
looking at the
it's because they
inside one.
switched. They switched.
R10 to R22 to R40. They're switching.
Oh, okay. I get you,
Yeah. Now it's R22.
I get you.
So
228.
228. $25, $50, 75. It's like 70. 770.
No?
Yes, it's right here. Look, follow this one. Follow this one.
Why this one though?
Cause that's that part. Like that's where it ends.
Right here, man.
Oh my God, you're going truck as fuck, bro. Yeah.
Este, way.
70, 80, 85. 85. 785.
80, 85?
85.
What do you mean?
This is 50.
Oh shit.
Oh, you're right. So 60.
60.
760. Light work? Oh yeah, let me put. No. Bro, what is a paper file?
Got it, G. You're using the app or no?
No, were you supposed to?
I don't know.
He gave me some close
Oh,
to that.
oh shit.
So
Oh,
what you get?
wait, we got it from like the reading, like looking at that.
For real?
Yeah, but I don't know. Yeah, bro, I don't know. We probably did the whole thing wrong. I don't know. Quién sabe, bro. Hey, yo creo que le hicimos todo mal, pero no sé. Why? I don't know.
Everybody's gonna have different ones.
Yeah. Where's Ryan? Ryan, what did you get?
What the fuck are you gonna go?
Chill.
Alright. Are you doing like them YouTube videos?
Yeah.
4, 49. So this.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, you're like a little.
These minus and then
right. I don't know.
well, is the last.
That's all good. Wait, where'd you get that paper?
It's right here. Trace picture.
Yeah.
Turn it in.
Oh.
Show the chat, you know?
I make people want to learn, you know? I make them pay attention.
Do we do this one also?
Dang, doing the GoPro?
Yeah. Recording a YouTube video.
Yeah? That's good, man.
Do you do that with your glasses or not?
can.
You can? That's crazy. Bro, you're lying. You're lying, bro.
It's alright, because at the end of the day, it's gonna grow.
It's gonna grow.
Yo!
That camcorder? Oh, we're out. Out early. 11:30. Look at the skeletons. Oh yes. Ahora pa'l gym. Alright guys, so class is over. We're going to the gym today. We're hitting legs, lower body today. Yesterday was upper body. Today is Friday, lower body. Okay, but now we gotta handle with the traffic back home. 30-minute drive again. And yeah guys, I'll see y'all when I get there. Oh my god, Ñaño leaving. Oh my god, he's fucking illegal. So I'm home. Como no comí a las 9, I'm gonna eat, and then it's currently 12:11. At 2, I'm gonna go to the gym. We're gonna hit legs, lower body today. And yeah, man, let's get it. Hello. Good morning. Oh, sí. Daisy! Daisy! ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Vete, vamos. I'm gonna go eat. I'll see you later. Daisy. Alright guys, we're ready for the gym. The fit, bro, look, I just got these shoes. They look fucking clean. Whoa.
Happy birthday. Yeah, guys. We're going to the gym now. We're at the gym.
I'm at the beach. The beach.
Yeah. 10 minutes. Alright, buddy.
You got this.
Hold on, I'm gonna stretch.
Okay.
Yes.
Andres finished all my water.
So guys, the gym was pretty good. We did leg workout. It was pretty fun, really good. My legs are sore now. See y'all when I get home.
What's up, guys? I'm back home. It's 6 o'clock, and right now I just finished eating, and I'm gonna finish some work that I didn't get to do in class, just so I could stay caught up. You know, I don't want to get behind. So yeah, guys, see y'all in a bit.
And you're often going to need to look in the manufacturer's literature to determine what this information actually
I did it, guys. I finished the work, and it's 7:30. Too much information on this, bro. I don't like it. It's too much. What? These are all my notes. I'm gonna show you guys my notes. I got like a month in school right now. Oh my goodness. Look at all of this. I'm gonna write a book about HVAC. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Hold on, hold on. Oh my goodness. Look at this one though. This one is fire. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Whoa, look at that. Okay, chill. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I'm about to go shower, go to sleep. I'm tired from the gym, from school. That was a day in the life of a HVAC UTI student. If you guys liked the video, make sure to like and subscribe. Comment down below if you got anything to say about my day. If you have any questions, ask them. I'll answer them. If you want to know how to become immune to refrigerant, comment down below. Make sure to like, subscribe. I'll see y'all next time. Peace out.
Cookie sandwich.
Cookie sandwich.